Okay, now let's solve all these problems. So in your exercise 3.2 there is question 1, that is find the values of sine 690. So all 10 problems are there. So let us first solve the 5 problems. First, sine 690 degree. Okay, so you have to convert it into allied angles. So how to convert that? Let's see. Sine, you can convert that 690 into suppose 360 or 360 plus 360 degree. So you have last angle 360 on this circle. So 360 plus, that is 330. So 360 plus 330 will become 690 degree. So now you have a formula. Okay, you have a formula that, what is that formula? Okay, let me write here formula. Sine 360, what is that? Plus theta. 360 plus theta. Okay, now see 360 which lies on the horizontal line, which means there is no change. So sine will remains as a sine, so it will become a sine theta. And what is the sign convention for that? Sign, which means चिन्ह काय असेल त्याचं बरं बघा. So 360 plus theta, which means that is in a first quadrant. So first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive, so we have a sin theta only. So what is the answer here? Sin 360. But here, okay, इथं बघा, इथं तुम्ही अजून सुद्धा किंमत त्याची मिळवलेली नाहीये. हे फक्त आन्सर मिळालं या स्टेप्स. अजून तुम्हाला व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची. यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द व्हॅल्यूज. ओके, सो स्टील नॉट युअर, ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला इथं व्हॅल्यू अजून मिळालेली नाही. सो सोडूया हे पुढे. अजून कसं सोडायचं बघा. सो अगेन यू हॅव टू डिवाइड दॅट 330 इंटू सर्टन अलाइड अँगल्स. सो यू कॅन डिवाइड इट ॲज अ 360 minus 30 degree. So you have to convert that 330 into 360 minus 30 degree. Again you have a formula sin 360 minus theta. So what is that 360 minus theta? So 360, which means there is a no change. Why there is a no change? Because it lies on a horizontal line. Okay, so there is a no change. We have considered it. So there is a no change. And what is the sign? चिन्ह काय असेल त्याचं बरं. So 360 minus theta, which means that lies in a fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, the only cos and sec are positive. Only cos and sec are positive. So it means your sign will become negative. Okay. So what is the answer here? What is the final answer? Now sine minus sine 30 degree. Now what is the sine 30? Okay, what is the, you have studied that in your 10th standard, sine 30, so 0, sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 90. So all those angles. So what is the sine 30? That is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So you will get final answer 1 by 2. You can solve it by another method also. Okay, so method 2. What is that method? Okay, so you can solve it at, here it is a sine 690 degree. Okay, now you can convert that 690 as 720 minus 30 degree. Okay, it can possible. So 720 minus 30 is also 690. So sine that 720 can be a 2 into 360 degree. Yes or no? 2 into 360 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, now, okay, so as you consider that 2, there is no any value for that 2, because for measurement of any angle you are starting from 0, 90, 180, 270 and then again 360. So there is no any more than 360 angle in the circle. Okay, so for just consideration you have to consider here 360 only. So your formula will become 360 minus 30 degree. So what? So there is a formula, 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So that is minus sin 30 degree. So again minus sin 30 is 1 by 2. So you'll get your answer, that is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so sine 690 degree is what? Minus 1 by 2. Again here sine 690 is what? Minus 1 by 2. Okay, got it. So let's solve the second problem. What is that second example? Sine 495 degree. Sine 495. Okay, so simply you have to convert it in the 360 angle. You can convert that sine 490 as 360 degree plus 135 degree. Got it? 360 plus 135, that is 495. So what is 360 plus theta? Sine 360 plus theta. Sine 360 plus theta is equal to sine theta. So sine theta is what here? 135. So again you have to convert that 135 into another allied angle, that is sine. You can convert it as a 90 plus 45. You can also convert it as a 180 minus 45. Okay. So sine 90 plus 45. Okay. So what is sine 90 plus theta? Okay, let me write here sine 90 plus theta. Whatever the formulas, those we are using in the example. I am going to write here. You have to refer it. Plus theta, sine 90 plus theta, again sine 90, then 90 lies on a vertical line. So vertical line means there is a change. So there is a change, cos sine changes in the cos theta. Okay, and what is the sine? What is the sine convention for it? Sine convention 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, which means 90 on the horizontal line, then it will bend in a second quadrant. So second quadrant sine function is positive. So you'll get cos theta, positive cos theta is there. Okay, so what is that? Sine lies in a second quadrant. That angle lies in a second quadrant, and your sine and cosec in the second quadrant are only positive trigonometric functions. So you will get here positive cos theta. So what is the answer? What is the answer, guys? Cos 45 degree. Okay, cos 45 degree. Now what is the cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So you will get answer here 1 by root 2. So that is your sine 495 degree. समजते का? सोपं आहे, जास्त कोण अवघड नाही. ओके, सो लेट्स सॉल्व दी थर्ड प्रॉब्लेम. फॉर्म्युलाचं इथंच असू देत. ओके, मी नंबरिंग देतो त्यामुळे तुम्हाला समजेल काय प्रॉब्लेम नसणार आहे. काय प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर नंतर सांगा मला, मी नंतरच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी ते इम्प्रूव्ह करेन, मला पॉसिबल असेल तर. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज युअर थर्ड प्रॉब्लेम? 350 degree. 350, you can write it as a cos. पे फोन कोणाचा आला रे? सो तिथे परत करूयात. cos 350 you can convert that 15 degree, not 350, 315 degree in 360 degree minus what? Minus 45 degree. So what is the cos 360 minus theta? So cos 360 minus theta. So 360, which means that lies on a horizontal line, there is a no change in the cos angle, there is no change in the cos angle. Now what is the sine convention for it? Sine convention 360 minus theta, which means that lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant your cos and sec are positive, so your cos will become cos only there. Okay, so cos 360 minus theta is what? Cos theta. So you will get answer here. Ha nahi pen. You will get your answer here cos 45 only. Okay, got it? So similarly, similar answer here. Likewise your second. So cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Okay, so that is your answer of cos 315. Hope you are getting it. Okay, otherwise you're free to comment good. Next one is cos 600 theta. So you have to convert that 600. Okay, suppose cos, I'm going to convert it as a 720 minus, अबे कौन है, you can convert it as a 720 minus 120 degree. कामाच्या वेळी फोन, हाँ 720 minus 120, again 720, you can convert that 720 in 2 into 360 degree minus 120 degree. Okay, so cos 2 into 360, so there is no any means for the 2, so you have only 360 minus 120 degree. So cos 360 minus theta, similarly cos theta is there. So cos, you will get answer cos 120 degree. You have to remember it, or you have to find out all those angles. Okay, just consider that circle, horizontal line, vertical line, all 4 quadrants. You can get your answer. So cos 120, again you have to divide that cos 120 into 90 plus 30 degree. Okay, got it. So now what is the cos 90 plus theta? Cos 90 plus theta. Okay, so now 90 means there is a change for sign. Now what is the sign convention? 90, which means that lies in a second quadrant. 90 plus theta, that lies in a second quadrant, and in your second quadrant your sine and cosec are positive, and you have your function cos, so it means there is a negative. लक्षात घ्या व्यवस्थित, थोडंसं कन्फ्युजिंग असेल, थोडंसं बारकाईने व्यवस्थित बघितलं तर होते, ते काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही त्यात. ओके, सो काय आन्सर येणार आहे, मायनस साइन थिटा काय आहे 30 डिग्री. ओके, सो मायनस साइन 30, अबे सिमिलर आन्सर कसं काय येतात. ओके, ठीक आहे. सो मायनस साइन 30 हे किती आलं, मायनस 1/2. गॉट इट, ठीक आहे. नाव नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ बघूयातला. फिफ्थ tan 225. Okay, similar, you have to convert that tan 225 into suppose 180 plus 45. You also convert it into 270 minus 45. हे तुमच्यावर, तुम्ही कसं करताय त्याच्यावर. नाव tan 180 plus theta, tan 180 plus theta बघू काय आहे आपण. 180 plus theta, so tan 180 lies on horizontal line, there means there is no change. Tan theta, now what is the sign convention? 180 plus theta, it means there is that lies in a third quadrant on the horizontal line. Okay, there is a, suppose this is the horizontal line, there is a 0, then here it is a 180, so 180 plus, it means it lies in a third quadrant. So third quadrant मध्ये tan and cot positives असतो, so tan will remain positive tan 45. So what is the tan 45? 1 degree itself. Got it? Sorry, not degree be, answer आहे ते, value आहे ते. Okay, so likewise we have all those answers. Cos 600, then tan. Okay, got it. सो हे काय असेल ते पॉज करून लिहून घ्या. विथ फॉर्म्युला लिहून घेतले तरी चालतील, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करता आले पाहिजे. ठीक आहे, मी पॉज करतो, आपण नंतर नेक्स्ट सॉल्व करायला घेऊ. ओके, ओके, लेट्स सॉल्व दी next problems. Next sum, sixth is what here? Oh god, tan minus 690. Okay, so first here, first see, there is a tan minus theta. You have to convert that tan minus theta first. Now what is the tan minus theta? So let me write all formulas here. Tan minus theta. So what is tan minus theta? That is minus tan theta. हे कसं बाबा आलं तर बघा minus theta, theta lies on horizontal line, so there is a no change, so tan will remains tan, and theta means in the fourth quadrant your cos and sec are only positive, so tan will become negative here. Similar, so there is a tan minus theta, so what is your answer here? Minus tan 690. Now convert that 690 minus tan 690 is what? Again 720 minus 30 degree. Okay, or you can convert it into 360 plus 330. So minus tan 720, which means 2 into 360 degree minus 30 degree. Again, so minus tan, that 2 doesn't mean any value, so there is a 360 minus 30 degree, so 360 minus 30 degree. Okay, so now what is the tan 360 minus theta? Tan 360 minus theta. Okay, now 360, which means there is a no change, that because it lies in a horizontal line. Tan, now theta, there is a theta. Now what is the sign convention? 360 minus theta, which means again that is in the fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant only sec and cos are positive, so tan will become negative here. So negative, so you will get here answer your बघा मायनस ह्याचं काय येणार आहे एवढ्याचं मायनस टॅन 30 बरोबर. सो नाव मायनस विल बिकम पॉझिटिव्ह. हे थोडंसं मी वेगळ्या ह्यानं लिहिलं आहे. ओके, सो मायनस विल बिकम पॉझिटिव्ह हिअर. सो यू विल गेट tan 30 here. What is the tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. You have to remember all those values of 0, 90, 45, 60. ठीक आहे. tan 30 किती आला? 1 by root 3. 0 ते 90 पर्यंत तर सगळ्या ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शनच्या व्हॅल्यू पाठ पाहिजे, एवढं लक्षात घ्या, नाहीतर आपलं सरळ पाठ करा, बाकी काय. चला, sec 240. Now you have to convert that sec 240. I am going to convert it as a 270 minus 30 degree. Yes or no? 270 minus 30 degree, which means 240. So now you have to use formula sec 270 minus theta. So what is sec 270, which means there is a change. And change means sec will become cosec. Okay. Now cosec theta. And what is the sign? Sin 270 minus 270 on horizontal line minus, which means on a third quadrant. So in third quadrant your tan and cot are positive, sec will become negative. So you have a value here. What is the value? Minus cosec 30 degree. Now what is the cosec 30? Sin 30 is 1 by root 2. Then cosec 30 is the inverse of sin. So you will get the value of 1 minus. Okay, got it? सिंपल आहेत प्रॉब्लेम्स. पुढचं बघा 1, 2, 3. हां, सेक मायनस 855. सिमिलर ह्याच्यासारखंच करा. पहिला तो निगेटिव्ह थिटाचं काय असेल ते सॉल्व करून घ्या. सेक मायनस थिटाचा फॉर्म्युला लिहितो इथं. सेक मायनस थिटा काय असतो बे? सेक मायनस थिटा ओनली कॉस अँड सेक आर पॉझिटिव्ह, सो इट मीन्स युअर सेक मायनस कॉस. जर कॉस मायनस थिटा जर कॉस थिटा असेल तर सेक मायनस थिटा पण सेक थिटा असणार आहे. दोघेही पॉझिटिव्ह असतात. ओके, ठीक आहे. ते कसं आहे ते तुम्हाला बारकाईने व्हिडिओ बघा म्हणजे कळेल. सेक मायनस थिटा इज कॉस सेक थिटा. सो सेक 855. नाव यू हॅव टू कन्वर्ट दॅट 855. Sec 855 you can convert it as a 720 plus 135. Got it? So sec, now 720 means 2 into 360 plus 135. Got it? So sec 360 plus, आता हे एवढं डिटेलमध्ये लिहायची गरज नाही, डायरेक्ट सोडवलं तरी चालेल, इथं डायरेक्ट लिहिलं तरी चालेल. ओके, नाव sec 360 plus theta. sec 360 plus theta चा फॉर्म्युला बघू. sec 360 plus theta. sec 360 plus theta काय येईल बघा. सेकच राहील, नो चेंज. प्लस थिटा म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह. ठीक आहे, बघा की फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंटमध्ये ऑल आर पॉझिटिव्ह. सेक 135. आता ह्या सेक बाबाला इथं सोडवतो, इथं ओके, तसा ॲरो करतो. हां, सेक 135ला आपण असं म्हणू शकतो, सेक 135 90 + 45. Got it? Now here you need to use the formula sec 90 + theta. So what is sec 90 + theta? 90 means change, it will become cosec theta, and 90 plus, which means in the second quadrant your sin and cosec are positive, sec will become negative. हे बघायचं, हे नव्हे हे. ओके, सो सेक काय असेल तिथं निगेटिव्हच असेल. सो हा असेल निगेटिव्ह कोसेक 45. ओके, गॉट इट. बरोबर आहे ना आपलं? बरोबर आहे, बरोबर. ठीक आहे, कोसेक 45. साइन 45 किती असतो रे? 1/√2. सो कोसेक 45ला √2. सो -√2 इज द आन्सर. गॉट इट. हे जरा व्यवस्थित लिहितो मी. हे किती आहे? tan -690. हे त्याचा आन्सर. पुढे हे किती आहे? सेक 240. हे त्याचा आन्सर. हे किती आहे? सेक -855. हे त्याचा आन्सर. नेक्स्ट काय? नेक्स्ट हां 90 काय? कोसेक 780 डिग्री. So what is the cosec 780? Divide it. You don't know the value of 780. So cosec 780, you can write it as a 720 + 60. So what is that 720? इथं डायरेक्ट लिहू का मी? इथं असं म्हणतो 2 × 3 नको डायरेक्ट. हां, +60 डिग्री. सो कोसेक 360 + 60 डिग्री. कोसेक 360 + थीटा. कोसेक 360 + थीटा. कोसेक 360 + थीटा. बघा, कोसेक 360 + थीटा काय येईल? कोसेक मीन्स देर इज अ नो चेंज. कोसेक विल रिमेन्स कोसेक. नाउ 360 + थीटा means, which means in the first quadrant all are positive. So cosec 60 degree. Got it? So sin 60 is √3/2. Cosec 60 will inverse of that 2/√3. Got it? Now last one. लाईट गेलेली आहे. जरा आपण दरवाजा उघडूया. आय होप तुम्हाला दिसत असेल. लास्ट वन इज व्हॉट? लास्ट वन अरे इकडे लिहिलंय ना. कॉट -1 ओके. सो हे बघा, एवढं कंप्लीट करूया आपण. सो हिअर ॲज you have to convert that cot minus theta first. So what is the लिहितो बघा, cot minus theta. So what is that cot minus theta? Cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. So tan minus theta -tan theta असेल तर cot minus theta पण minus cot theta असेल. हे असेल मग तुमचं minus cot 1110. ओके, ठीक. इथे लिहितो. याची फोड करू आपण. मायनस कॉट 1110ची फोड मी असं करू शकतो 1080, कारण की 1080 तुमच्या 360च्या पटीतला आहे बघा. 336 त्रिक 108 येते ना. सो 1080 गुणिले कुठं पाहिजे? हां, गुणिले नाही. सो 1080 + 30 डिग्री असं करू शकतो. सो यू हॅव टू कन्वर्ट दॅट 1080 × 3 × 360 + 30 डिग्री. सो नाव there is no any means of 3. So 360 + 30 degree. Now 360 + 30. So minus cot. थांबा 360 + theta. cot 360 plus theta. So 360 plus, which means there is no change, theta is there. And what is the sign convention? Sin 360 plus, which means in the first quadrant all are positive, so you will get the minus as it is, minus cot 30. Now what is your cot 30? Sin tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and cot 30 will be root 3 only. So all those answers are there. Okay, so cosec 780 degree, that is your cot 1110 minus 1110. ओके, सो काय असेल ते व्यवस्थित छापा नाही लिहवा. ओके, ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये बघूयात. ओके.